Well, our hopes and dreams were dashed. So our Jeep is 25 years old, so everything is starting to give up the ghost as far as sensors go. So we're going to replace it with this, and then hopefully we'll have good luck.
Yeah.
Do you think it'll work?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll see. If this isn't it, then we'll have to do some more investigation. Preston and I had to hit pause real quick to have some lunch, but we're back now. So where we left off was taking the distributor cap off so we could get to the old camshaft position sensor. So I'm going to use my step stool because I'm too short for the lifted Jeep and get back up in the engine bay. The camshaft position sensor is buried inside the distributor, which is right here. So got all the spark plug wires. They go into this little box cylinder deal. Looks like we have two Phillips screws we got to undo and take the distributor cap off in order to put the new sensor on. That should work. Before we pop that off and it gets in the way, I want to undo this clip. We may lose the GoPro. May be gone forever. The camshaft position sensor's home is sandwiched right between the distributor cap and base. Now if you're lucky and have a little bit of slack in your spark plugs, you can lift up the cap just enough without having to unplug them. Now to remove the sensor, you first need to remove the rotor from the drive gear, which if I can squeeze my hand in here, should just pop up with a little persuasion. Nice. Now the rotor has a key to keep it aligned with the drive gear, so you don't need to worry about accidentally messing up the timing with the spark plug wires when this little guy is whirling around a million miles per hour. You should be able to just line it right back up when you put it back on. Now with that out, we can take out the old one. Okay, before we put the new one on, I'm going to have Preston take a glance at it and the old one. We'll do a quick little comparison. Shape, size, appears to be the same model, right? Yeah. Okay. So we'll set the junk one aside. Well, actually, we don't know that this is junk. It may actually be working still. You know, we're trying to diagnose the issue here. Okay, when you put it back in and put it with the good stuff facing down, there's a little notch for the wire. Twist it. Okay, there we go, nestled in. No, there we go. Now it's nestled in. Okay, we're gonna put this guy back in and reposition my light that fell. Come on, magnet, find metal. So remember, there's the slot has like a key, so it should only be able to go in one direction. If I can get my my light to not fall. Okay, so there's the shaft you got to feed it over, and I believe with the way the slot looks, it's going to go in this direction. And slide it down until it bottoms out. Alright, there we go. Now we put the distributor cap back on. Screwdriver me, presto. Thank you, sir. It is plastic, so just get it snug tight. Don't crank down on it, especially if your Jeep is 25 plus years old like mine. The plastic may just crack on you instead. Alright, that is snug like a glove. Okay, we need to re-plug in this guy. If you could see me now, hanging over this engine bay like a monkey.
I'm sure somebody would get a good laugh. Just so I can use both hands. Alright, I heard a pop, so I'm gonna say that's good.
The new sensor is in. Now, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed with me, Preston. Yeah, there you go. Fingers crossed that was actually the issue. Otherwise, we changed it for nothing. But, I mean, maybe that is the issue for someone out there in the YouTube world, and they just saw how they could fix it. So, we're gonna back up, grab the keys to the Jeep. Do I have the keys to the Jeep? I do not have the keys to the Jeep. I'm gonna grab the keys to the Jeep. We have the keys to the Jeep. Alright, Preston, you're gonna be in charge of camera. Close this up. Alright, fingers crossed, toes crossed, and everything in between.
Still not working.
Bummer. Our battery is definitely low, so I'm not giving up hope yet. I'm gonna hook a charger up to the battery, and then we're gonna give it one more shot and see if it starts up. Jeeps, gotta love them.